Another day where you're left scratching your head wondering what time of the year is it? I mean, if you look out the window, you see the leaves raining down out of the trees, you know it's fall. It looks like late October, but it does not feel that way outside. It's still 82 currently in Springfield. We had a high of 86 this afternoon. That beat the old record of 85 that goes back to 1950. Set a new record high also in Joplin of 89 degrees. Beat the old record by 5 degrees. That record also goes back to 1950, and you can see other locations topping out in the mid-80s. West Plains, Rolla, Harrison, maybe not records, but still unusually warm for this time of the year as temperatures run a little over 20 degrees above normal. We've seen waves of high cloudiness, at times providing us with filtered sunshine. The high cloudiness has thinned out somewhat over southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. We will find it overnight tonight. Really the big story today outside of the warmth is the wind. The core of wind has been located from the Texas Panhandle through Oklahoma, Kansas, and to northern Missouri. This is where gusts have been in that 35 to 45 mile per hour range. We're going to find that corridor of stronger winds expanding a bit further east tomorrow. And I think that much of western Missouri and in northwest Arkansas is likely going to have gusts approaching, if not topping, 40 miles per hour. And then we're going to find strong winds again on Wednesday. So we've got the wind, we've still got the very dry conditions, the air is still relatively dry, so all of that adds up to elevated wildfire concerns continuing through Tuesday and Wednesday. And many locations have burn bans, so keep that in mind too. Temperatures tonight only dropping into the 60s, 65 for a low in Springfield. We may not be looking at a record high tomorrow, but we are likely going to have a record high low temperature tomorrow. 65 is the forecast. 63 is the record high-low for tomorrow morning. That goes back to 2004. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll get back into the 80s. It looks like generally low 80s, although some areas may hit mid-80s. Looks like about 83 for high in Springfield. We should fall a little short of the record highs across the area, but still, again, very close as we're chasing those record highs. Then tomorrow night, we could be setting more record high-low temperatures with lows in the mid-60s again on Wednesday. More warmth and wind, although there will be more cloud cover, and that should tamp down the highs a bit with highs closer to 80 degrees. Rain sneaking into western Missouri by late afternoon. This ahead of a strong cold front that will likely deliver a line of thunderstorms to the area Wednesday night. And with those storms, we could find some severe weather. I think with the setup as it is, with the squall line moving in, there's lots of wind energy in the atmosphere, but not a whole lot in the way of instability. So I think with these storms Wednesday night, we're going to have to primarily watch for strong winds. There could be some pockets of hail, and I think there could also be maybe a few isolated brief tornadoes, especially west of Highway 65 as we head through the mid to late evening Wednesday night. So just something to kind of watch for. It is that time of the year. Also rain. This is something we need, and it looks like much of the area will get soaked with at least a ½ inch of rain. And a lot of spots in western Missouri and northwest Arkansas will likely have rain totals topping 1 inch out of that wave of storms. Then for Halloween, for trick-or-treaters, eerily quiet. It'll be cool for trick-or-treaters, but it'll be dry, not terribly windy. Friday looks nice. And then over the weekend, I think we're going to see rain chances return. It looks like we're going to get into a stretch there from maybe Saturday night, maybe through the middle of next week, where there will be daily chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms and maybe heavy rainfall. I think much of the area over the next 10 days could see in excess of 2 to 3 inches of rainfall.
Wow. 1.5 inches of rain sounds like flooding conditions compared to what we've had here recently.
Well, yeah, I mean, it is crazy, and it's really kind of interesting how we're going from, famine to potentially feast over the next week and a half.
All right.